Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi 13 and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings, then select About Phone and scroll down and you'll see Factory Reset. When you click on it, it will give you a list of things that this process removes. So if there's anything in that list that you'd like to keep, make a backup copy of it before you begin. It also allows you to create a backup copy right here. As you can see, when you tap on the erase all data, it gives you the option right here. But assuming you have backed it up already or you just simply don't want to, you can then select Factory Reset. Clean eSIM data, that is completely up to you. If you decide to not clean it, that will basically be as keeping your SIM card in the device. So if you're planning to sell this device, I would recommend selecting clean or clear as it's called right here. And if you just wanting to reset the device for yourself and still will use the same eSIM profile that was already on this device, then select keep. Now we do have 20 seconds of our life wasted right here by Xiaomi. They tend to do this quite a lot with like almost every option. So we have 10 seconds of blockage right here, letting us know that Factory Reset removes all the data and cannot be undone. And then they hammer it even further, basically repeating themselves that just be certain that you want to do this because it cannot be undone. And then we can tap on OK. Now once we do so, the Factory Reset is really quick, probably quicker than it took us to actually get into the settings and reset it and wait that 20 seconds, so should be done relatively quickly. Now I'll let it run through and come back once it's finished. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.